Are you deaf?
No other aspect of life is more resisted and denied than the prospect of our own death. During the near-death experience,
And so beware. The mood killer. It'll make sure you'll never get laid. Again.
Eroded in the waters of time.
A bright expanse of light. A lady whom I didn't recognise came forward. And she said, "Diane, you must go back. Your time has not yet come."
I've got very important businessing to do here. We know what Mr. Henry's like. He's very important. I take the empty and make it full. By the end of the day, he'll chuck me in the void. Or kill me.
That's young man. 62 cups is no easy feat. It's more than enough to put you into a considerable state of distress. Similar acts of vanity.
Remember, class, the symptoms of ovarian cancer are similar to the menstrual cycle. Stomach cramps, excessive bathroom use, lack of appetite, and bloating. I know it's the end of the day.
and silence calms the soul.
I don't think we're doing this right.
Does it scare you? Pretending it's not there.
In fact,
No. Thank you. Not ready.
Sheila!
Derek! How many times?
Sheila,
Enough of the scary stories.
Here we come.
Can I read you my play?
tell you the truth, mate. I'd rather be chucked in the void.
And when I look at people after they've had their time, the peace on their face is wonderful.